Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will be focusing on nature and significance of management, which also comes in class 12 chapter 1 and in degree level also, and in master level also this topic is very much essential. So basically uh, the thing is that we have to first bring the pen tool so that it becomes easy for us to use it. And hope during this lockdown everyone is engaged in their busy work schedule, doing something essential or engaging their mind and all. Let's start it. Yes, it's okay, I think. Yes. So the main topic is today we'll be covering is management. Obviously the subject and nature and significance of management. Yes, in the introduction part, management. Let's start. What is the term management and what is being given here? Management is a pervasive and universal concept. Yes, no business can work smoothly without management, irrespective of its size, nature, and function. Obviously, management. First of all, what about management? Management is to manage the man. From the word manage, let's see, to manage the man. This means the definition is inside this particular word only, and if you can clear it out in any way, it becomes easy for you to pen it down. So it's a pervasive and universal concept. It's applicable everywhere. No business can work smoothly without management. Yes, obviously, depending upon the nature, function, and size. Next coming to management is not constrained to business organization, but even non-business organization needs to manage the function. Obviously, it's applicable in both business and non-business activity because everywhere you have to manage something or somehow in order to get your work done. For example, the organization or the employees who are working, they have to manage their workmen, that means the subordinates, and the subordinates has to know their उनको सुनना पड़ेगा कि उनका बॉस क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको कैसे उनका बॉस उन लोगों को कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, सब कुछ ये सब मैनेजमेंट के अंदर ही आ जाता है. The third one is coming to is management is a process of planning. Yes, it's a planning process. It's organizing, motivating, and controlling. The management is first start with the planning. Say how you will plan your particular task. Secondly, how you will organize it and how you will make your people work in particular, dividing their work into their respective field of specialization. And obviously motivation is very important. If your people under you, or if your boss is motivated, then obviously your particular task will be completed. Next, coming to is controlling. Yes, the controlling is very much important. How you will control your men? Are they doing properly or not? Are they assigning their job properly or not? Their task and all. Next, coming is, yes, as we have already discussed that management, consider management. But according to their few statesman persons, respected statesman persons who has given the definition, and it's be आप एक कोई एक सभी आप पकड़ लो और उसको अच्छी तरह बना के as written as it is, उसको फॉलो करके मैनेजमेंट इज द आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग्स डन थ्रू अदर्स, ये आप ले सकते हैं नंबर वन पॉइंट। मैनेजमेंट इज द आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग्स डन थ्रू अदर्स। मैनेजमेंट दैट मीन्स आप दूसरों के सहायता से आप कैसे अपना काम करवा सकते हैं, एज सिंपल एज मैनेजमेंट। और नेक्स्ट आप कर सकते हैं ये वाला, एक ही हो गया ट्रेडिशनल कंसेप्ट, दो कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, एक आपका ट्रेडिशनल कंसेप्ट, एक आपका मॉडर्न कंसेप्ट। तो फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन टेक दिस वन, and for modern concept you can take this one. Management is establishing an effective environment for operating in formal organizational groups. Formal word is utilized here, is used here. So formally organization को how will how you will take it to your when finishing output. That's the thing. Next is characteristics of feature of management. Yes. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अदर फीचर्स मैनेजमेंट के क्या क्या है यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गोल ओरिएंटेड। यस, गोल, देयर हैज टू बी अ पर्टिकुलर गोल, देन ओनली योर टास्क विल बी कंप्लीटेड। फॉर एग्जांपल, कल को यूपीएससी एग्जाम का तैयारी है आपको, सपोज आज से 8 मंथ्स के बाद, तो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर, यू हैव सेट पर्टिकुलर गोल है कि फाइन हम लोग को यूपीएससी प्रिपेयर करना है, यानी हाँ पर्टिकुलर आपका एक गोल वहाँ पे आप सेट करेंगे, हाउ यू विल अप्रोच योर पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स और योर टॉपिक्स, वाइस वर्सा, there has to be a particular goal. Next come pervasive. Pervasive means the flow you have to be, yeah, it to be very much essential. It also depends upon how you will make the things work. For example, I will be giving you, for say suppose, yes, how you will at a go you will make the people work. That means in a group of people or a particular team अगर आप लेके जाते हैं अपनी particular goal को या task को, then you will reach your target. You can also use as a group of people. Group of people. Sorry for the handwriting. बहुत ही सुंदर है, I know. Yeah, this since ये हम लोग का ये मेरा दूसरा वीडियो है ऑनलाइन, तो I'm trying my best to make your to share my knowledge as much as I can. Third comes multidimensional. Yes, multidimensional is also very important कि आपका टास्क आप जिस बंदे को आप दे रहे हैं वो मल्टी डायमेंशनल, वो मल्टी टास्किंग बोला पड़ेगा, he can work A or he can be able to work for task A, task B, task C, but you have to be very much careful that आप उसको कैसे ले जाते हैं। ज़्यादा अगर एक साथ आ जाता है तो ऑब्वियसली टन टन हो जाएगा, उसको गर्व लग जाएगा, तो आपको वेरी मच केयरफुल होना कि आप उस बंदे को किस तरफ या कैसे आप काम लेके जाते हैं। यस, कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड दैट कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस, ये कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस होना ही पड़ेगा, तभी आप यू विल रीच योर टारगेट एंड यू विल, आई मीन द मैनेजमेंट गोल विल बी फुलफिल्ड। हिट मीन्स डेली आपका टास्क उस बंदे को आप देखते रहिए, ऑब्वियसली he will be paid, and for that you have to motivate him also that fine brother, let's work on this, we can do it, let's start, let's hit the target. Yes, the fifth one comes group activity. Group activity is also very important here, as I said that in group as a team you have to be very much influential. If your team works properly, then obviously your task will be completed. Maybe it may take some time, but ultimately you reach your goal. The next हम dynamic function, dynamic personality, dynamic functions होना पड़ेगा उस बंदे में या आपकी टीम में. he has multitasking भी हो सकता है उसमें, या आपका he can sort out any type of solve problems and give solution to it. And yes, next come intangible. That means which you cannot see, or you cannot, you can't feel, but you cannot touch it. Yes, there is no physical presence on it. Like, yes, the self confidence on you. The self confidence on you is also the feelings. Those are intangible things, because these are a kind of services which your men are giving to you. So intangible is the things which you cannot ask, you cannot touch, but you can feel. The next comes the composite process. Yes, composite process is also again a very important role to in order to fulfill the management task. The I think the next one is balancing effectiveness and efficiency. Effectiveness and efficiency इन दोनों को मिला के ही आपका stable होना पड़ेगा. Effectively, how sincerely and how dedicatedly you will make your work done. And obviously this has to be go with sincerity, discipline, punctuality. Yes, we will be completing in a while. Okay, next comes is, yes, let me just check once. Yes, objective for management. आपका इसमें कितना टाइम हो जाए? Yes, it's going on. That's good. It's going on. Okay, objective of management. Next topic is organizational objectives. The organizational objective mainly is your survival, profit, and growth. In order to make your make yourself in the market, you have to survive anyhow. Profit motive should be there. Growth, वैसे growth होने से ही आपका you will you will success. Obviously there may be ups and downs, but yes, ups and downs के बीच ही that's called life, and struggle is all about is that. Next comes social objectives. The social objectives, supply of quality products at reasonable price. ये मैंने आपको this is also a very important factor. The prices should be very reasonable in comparison to your competitors. Contribute to a desirable civic activities. Civic activities में आपका socially you have to be contributed. जैसे we have already discussed about the CSR activity. And the next comes the generation of economic wealth, creation of employment. Yes, generation of economic wealth, creation of employment, economic wealth. These are very important factors in order to objective fulfill the objectives of management. Employment creation is is also done through it, because when companies they come in the market, they are the virgin market. If they wants to fulfill their sell their product, they want to showcase the product, then through that employment generation is there. Economic wealth grows on a particular area or particular region. So that way also the certain companies are doing it. And the last one is personal objective. Yes, Personal objective is competitive salary. Competitive salary is very much, you know, these things can be seen in today's day-to-day activity of everyone, that how that person is, you know, getting more salary than that one. No, I mean competition बढ़ गया है तो obviously personally it's objective is also being going on. Personal growth and development, yes, this one is also an important element. आपका पर्सनल ग्रोथ कितना हो रहा है, डेवलपमेंट कितना हो रहा है आपके आप you should ask yourself how much you are growing, how much you are, you know, giving yourself 100% or not. Peer recognition, yes, your peer groups, your colleagues and all, they are appreciating you or not. In certain cases, they appreciate, obviously, in certain cases, they do not. But yes, you have to take both the positive and negative and you have to move on and correct yourself as much as you can. The next one is, the last one is good working condition. Obviously, the working condition should be suitable, and then only you can focus on your objective. And yes, before coming to this particular topic, let's we have to end this particular session, and we will be covering this one in the next video. That's I hope this particular notes which we have gone through will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much, and stay safe. And if you like a video, do please comment, give your valuable comments. You can give your feedbacks on how the next, what kind of topic should I be covering for you all. Any doubts and all, please give your feedbacks and all, and keep supporting and take care. Thank you so much.